Hello guys, today we are going to create a rainy window drawing by using oil pastel colors. First I use tape to create a window frame, then I draw a simple outdoor scene which we usually see such as buildings, trees, sun and roads. I color these features by using violet and blue color and sun rays by using red and yellow color. So you can draw anything you want, whatever you see from your window and color it roughly. So I am coloring each of the window section one by one. So I have completed three portion of my window and one is remaining. So you can see I am roughly drawing it. Then after that what we will do, I am highlighting the sun rays by using red and yellow color. You can see after that I am using yellow color to highlight the sun rays. So I'm coloring each part of the window section and highlighting the rays or light section with yellow part. So after finishing my color, I color it with white pastel color all over the window frame in each section in a slanting line pattern. So this will create a glass like look. Okay, and after that I'm gently rubbing with my finger so that it can spread it very well. In this step you can see that I'm making rain droplets on above the window glass. So please watch the video and enjoy, and if you like my video, please don't forget to comment and share your drawing too. Thank you guys.